Many of you may be familiar with Ali Abdul, the well-known motivational YouTuber. Many of you may be envious of his annual salary of millions of dollars. However, here's where things get interesting. He's always been the type of 30-year-old virgin, the simpleton, the man who is always friend-zoned. We're not trying to make a video to roast him, but we're here to expose the biggest lie ever revealed by the red pill. Of course, not everything about the red pill is incorrect, but pay close attention. The wrong side of the red pill will teach you to ignore game and female nature. Instead, concentrate on getting a better physique and growing your business to make a lot of money. Supposedly, just doing these two things will have you all set. Like what Ali Abdul advocates. Is this advice still relevant? Clearly not. A man of high worth must work on everything. This includes abilities in gameplay, social skills, and communication. Being able to make small talk, knowing when to dress smartly and when to dress casually, and reading people. This cannot be accomplished by disregarding everything and concentrating solely on improving one's physique or business. Perhaps you will devote a few months or years to developing your business. However, the ability to learn and develop other skills is still required at the end of the day. With that said, here are 4 golden red pill dating guidelines that I believe every man should be aware of. As previously stated, not everything about the red pill is incorrect, and these 4 rules are undoubtedly the ones to follow. First and foremost, do unto others as you would want them to do unto you. This is the golden rule. No surprises here. This is more than just not being a jerk and not allowing others to be jerks to you. It means to be the type of person you want to be, the type that you desire to date. If you want to date someone who is physically fit, you should exercise. If you want to date someone who is smart, you should study. If you want someone who is passionate, go out and explore. Follow and pursue your passions. Understand your weaknesses and strengths. Most importantly, understand your worth. You will learn to hold women to a higher moral standard if you first hold yourself to a higher standard as well. Second, everyone has the right to choose. Recognize that everyone has the will to make their own decisions. This means that they will sometimes use their free will and knowingly or unknowingly hurt or upset us. You can do everything correctly and still end up lost. The majority of the time, things do not work out. That is the nature of dating and life in general. The sooner you start to recognize this and move past it, the better. Consider a fishing net. Does it catch 100% of the fish that land on it? No. Some of the fish may be able to escape. The same is true for dating. Consider it like casting a fishing net over women. Some women simply do not want to be caught or are meant to be caught in your net. Allow them to swim away. Third, 2 people can have the same experience and come out of the other end with 2 completely different perceptions. This one completely blows my mind. On several occasions, as I drive home from a date, I thought to myself, wow, that was really great. We had such a strong connection. Only to find out when I asked her out on another date, she wasn't feeling it. It amazes me that something so real and obvious to me was only felt by me. Accept it and move on if that is the case. In this instance, mindset is crucial. Nothing should surprise you. Just accept and adapt. Fourth, there will always be another one, but it is my responsibility to go and find her. Let me start by saying that I don't believe there's only one person in the world who is destined to be paired with me. This idea completely disregards our free will. I've been in love with someone and thought to myself, wow, there is no way I could love anyone else the way I love her. Fast forward a few years, and I found myself thinking the same thing about a different girl. You get to choose who you spend your time with. You get to choose who you love. On a related note, I believe it is critical to recognize that you can find love with someone you should not. If things just don't work out, there will always be someone else. But it's up to me to get out there and find her.